Welcome to the NewsRamp Technology Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading news wires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at newsramp.com. It's Friday evening, October 31st, 2025, and we have a lineup of technology headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So, grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline.
Stonegate Capital Partners updates coverage on Alliance Resource Partners LP, NASDAQ, 2025 Q3. Stonegate Capital Partners has updated coverage on Alliance Resource Partners LP, NASDAQ RLP, for the 2025 Q3. RLP had a strong quarter with higher coal volumes and improved unit costs, resulting in a 6.9% decrease in total revenues to $571.4 million. Net income rose to $95.1 million, supported by lower operating costs and higher investment income. Adjusted EBITDA increased by 14.8% to $185.8 million. ARLP tightened FY25 guidance, expecting 4Q25 results similar to 3Q25. Quarterly results showed revenue, AJED, and ADJ EPS of $547.5 million, $161.9 million, and .46 respectively. Coal sales revenue was $511.6 million, with sales volumes up 3.9% YoY. ARLP ended the quarter with strong liquidity and cash flow, holding $541 million in total liquidity and $94.5 million in cash. The partnership returns a quarterly cash distribution of 60 cents per unit. Autumn Lighting Fair, Outdoor and Tech Light Expo, Eco Expo Asia draw some 62,000 buyers. Two major lighting fairs in Eco Expo Asia have successfully concluded, attracting some 62,000 buyers from 141 countries and regions. An AI smart lighting exhibitor at the Autumn Lighting Fair secured an on-site order with a Thai buyer worth up to RMB 8 million. In an independent survey, 61% of lighting industry respondents expect sales to grow in the next 1 to 2 years, with AI, smart city development, and technological advancement as key drivers. Eco Expo Asia helped enterprises expand their international trade networks, with notable increases in buyers from Australia, Japan, Korea, Malaysia, and the U.S. Company representatives expect overseas revenue growth to exceed 200% for the full year. Hong Kong delegation concludes mission in Riyadh. A business delegation from Hong Kong, led by Financial Secretary Paul Chan, recently concluded a successful mission in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. The delegation participated in the Future Investment Initiative Summit and engaged in discussions with government officials and business leaders to enhance collaboration in areas such as innovation, technology, smart cities, AI, fintech, and biotechnology. Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 aims to reduce reliance on oil and transform into a private sector-led economy, presenting new opportunities for Hong Kong and mainland enterprises. The delegation also attended the Hong Kong-Saudi Arabia Business Dinner, where multiple memoranda of understanding and cooperation agreements were signed, paving the way for future partnerships. The Hong Kong Trade Development Council will continue to promote bilateral cooperation and looks forward to further strengthening economic ties between Hong Kong and Saudi Arabia. Investor news breaks: GlobalTech Corp, GLTK, advancing AI and data solutions with diversified portfolio. GlobalTech Corporation, ticker symbol GLTK, is making strides in AI and data solutions with its diverse portfolio. The company, focused on AI, big data, and digital infrastructure, is driving growth through targeted acquisitions and regional alliances. GlobalTech's expanding portfolio includes platforms like Cadence for banks, Threvo AI for business intelligence, and Baseball Blitz for baseball operations. Recently securing $1.4 million through a convertible note private placement, the company plans to develop AI-powered solutions, expand into international markets, and explore more acquisitions. For more information, visit GlobalTech's newsroom. InvestorWire is a specialized communications platform dedicated to press release syndication for private and public companies and the investment community.
D-Wave Quantum, QBTS, to report third quarter fiscal 2025 financial results on November 6. D-Wave Quantum Inc. QBTS will report its financial results for the third quarter of fiscal year 2025 on November 6. The press release will be available on the D-Wave Investor Relations website. A conference call will be held on the same day at 8 a.m. Eastern Time to discuss the results and business outlook. CEO Dr. Alan Baratz and CFO John Markovich will participate. D-Wave is a leader in quantum computing systems, software, and services, offering the world's first commercial quantum computers. Customers can access quantum cloud services with high availability. The company addresses optimization, artificial intelligence, and research challenges. Forward-looking statements caution investors about potential risks and uncertainties. For more information, visit www.dwavequantum.com. Investor news breaks. Supercom Limited's NASDAQ Pure Security Suite's new standard through key contract win. Supercom Limited, NASDAQ SPCB, has secured a national electronic monitoring contract in Germany valued at up to $7 million over 4 years, displacing the country's longtime EM provider. This agreement covers multiple programs using Supercom's Pure Security Suite, including GPS tracking, domestic violence prevention, home detention, and alcohol monitoring. CEO Orden Trebelsi sees this as a strategic milestone showcasing the company's technology and execution capabilities. Supercom looks forward to supporting Germany in this project and continuing to provide innovative public safety solutions globally. For more information about Supercom Ltd., visit their website at www.supercom.com. Should you still blog when AI answers everything? Blogging still matters because AI and Google only surface existing content. A steady blog earns search visibility, feeds AI with facts, arms sales with links, and gives reporters quotable lines. AI tools are gaining ground, but classic search still drives most discovery. PR adds credibility with backlinks and consistent entity authority. Write to user intent, not just topics, and match format to intent. Consistency beats sprints in posting frequency. Every post should have a clear job, from explainers to case studies. Use AI as an assistant, not a replacement for judgment. Blogs fail due to unstructured work and sporadic posting. Define audience and intent, add summaries and tables, and repurpose content. Trizcom PR's success with owned content showcases the importance of user intent, schema, and repurposing content. Keep the cadence, write to intent, and package value in the first scroll for a successful blog that feeds SEO, AI search, sales, and PR.
Network news breaks. BluSky AI Inc.'s BSAI modular neocloud platform set to power AI era. BluSky AI, traded on the OTC under the ticker symbol BSAI, is making waves in the neocloud market, tailored for AI needs. Global AI adoption has strained GPU availability, prompting BluSky AI to develop a modular infrastructure model that caters to specific computational requirements. This approach allows for seamless scaling as workloads grow, unlike traditional data centers. BluSky AI's nimble and decentralized design enables incremental expansion, faster deployment, high security, and reduced costs, positioning it as an ideal choice for the AI-driven future. Headquartered in Salt Lake City, Utah, BluSky AI is dedicated to providing innovative and sustainable infrastructure solutions to power the AI revolution.
Schumacher Electric Corp. launches portable jumpstarter plus air compressor. Schumacher Electric Corporation has launched the S6L186 portable jumpstarter plus air compressor, a compact, lithium-powered device for automotive, outdoor, and emergency use. Available at Walmart in November, the SL1686 delivers 1,800 peak amps for jump-starting, features fast-charging USB-C and USB-A ports, a 3-mode LED work light, and a high-efficiency air compressor with a max pressure of 150 psi. With 4 inflation modes and automatic shutoff, it's versatile and safe. CEO Mickey Leach emphasizes the unit's reliability and portability, catering to various vehicle types and scenarios. Schumacher Electric's commitment to quality and innovation shines through the SL1686, offering a smart solution for today's mobile lifestyles. For more information, visit schumacherelectric.com.
Lincoln acquires, plans turnkey delivery of Chandler AZ Data Center. Lincoln Property Company has acquired a 191,000 square foot data center in Chandler, Arizona, with plans to deliver new turnkey data center inventory. The property, located on 14.5 acres at 2500 W. Fryard, will undergo cooling system improvements to save millions of gallons of water monthly. The facility offers 28 megawatts of utility power and features 4 data center halls, with one already leased to a Fortune 500 enterprise user. Lincoln will fit out the remaining 3 halls, adding 16 megawatts of critical capacity. The project will transition to an air-cooled mechanical system, potentially saving up to 3 million gallons of water monthly for the city of Chandler. For leasing inquiries, contact Rob Doretti at Lincoln Property Company.
LogicMark is pushing the edge with its medical alert products. LogicMark, a maker of personal emergency response systems and health communication devices, is pushing the edge with its medical alert products. CEO Chia-Lin Simmons highlighted the innovative features of the Freedom Alert Max, a micro-sized phone with video check-in capabilities. With double-digit revenue growth in the second quarter, LogicMark is focused on continued innovation and growth. The company recently welcomed Jeffrey Durkin as Senior Vice President of Sales to help achieve their goals. To learn more about LogicMark's cutting-edge products, check out the full interview on Benzinga's All Access.
LogicMark's holistic approach, leveraging artificial intelligence and SaaS to protect aging loved ones. LogicMark Inc., known for its personal emergency response systems, is taking a holistic approach to protecting aging loved ones by leveraging artificial intelligence and software as a service. Their Caring Platform as a Service, CPAS, collects and analyzes data from wearable devices to provide critical insights and notifications to users and caregivers in real time. This innovative approach aims to empower older adults to live more independently. By offering an ecosystem of safety devices and SaaS, LogicMark is confident it can secure a larger market share in the projected $147 billion smart personal safety devices and software market. Their Aster mobile app and emergency button are just the beginning of their expansion into new addressable markets under the personal safety umbrella, generating multiple revenue streams. LogicMark's AI-driven software is designed to ensure top-notch protection and tap into recurring revenue streams.
DC's oldest domestic violence organization adopts Silent Beacon wearable safety tech to help protect its staff. My Sister's Place, DC's oldest domestic violence organization, has partnered with Silent Beacon to provide wearable safety devices for its staff. These devices can call 911 and share live GPS locations at the touch of a button. This partnership aims to protect staff who work in shelters and engage in community outreach. The Silent Beacon device includes a silent mode to discreetly alert emergency contacts without making a sound. With domestic violence affecting 1 in 3 women and 1 in 7 men in the U.S., this innovative safety measure is crucial. By prioritizing staff safety, My Sister's Place and Silent Beacon are setting an example for other organizations to follow in safeguarding those who work directly with survivors.
Mission IR News breaks Micropolis Holding Co., NYS American, MCRP, to present AI-driven security and robotics solutions at ANOC Workshop in Abu Dhabi. Micropolis Holding Co., MCRP, is set to showcase its AI-driven security and robotics solutions at the Abu Dhabi National Oil Company's workshop on AI security on November 10, 2025, at the Abu Dhabi Energy Center. The company will highlight its latest autonomous technologies, including off-road unmanned systems, autonomous mobile robots, and edge-based AI surveillance platforms, aimed at improving safety, automation, and situational awareness in oil and gas operations. Founder and CEO Fareed Al-Jawhari emphasized Micropolis' role in advancing robotics and AI for smarter, safer, and more sustainable energy operations. For more information about Micropolis Holding Co., visit their newsroom at the provided link. Qualcomm shares jump as it unveils data center AI chips. Qualcomm's stock price surged by 20% after announcing 2 new AI chips for data centers, signaling a shift from its smartphone business. Investors are showing confidence in Qualcomm's AI push as it aims to challenge NVIDIA's dominance in data center technology. Companies like AI Maverick, Intel Inc. are also benefiting from the growing trend towards AI technology.
Optimism regarding U.S.-China talks drives copper price to near record. The price of copper has surged significantly, climbing towards last year's record highs, fueled by tightening supplies and renewed optimism about global demand, especially with hopes for progress in U.S.-China trade talks. Firms like Tor Metals Inc. TSX TMET are capitalizing on this momentum to attract more investors. For more information on Tor Metals Inc., visit the company's newsroom. Mining Newswire is a specialized platform focusing on developments in the global mining and resources sectors, offering a wide array of tailored corporate communications solutions to reach a broad audience of investors, influencers, consumers, journalists, and the general public. To stay updated, visit Mining Newswire's website. Hi Auto appoints Crystal Dederick as head of sales. Hi Auto, a global leader in AI-powered voice ordering for drive-thrus, has appointed Crystal Dederick as head of sales. With over 20 years of experience in restaurant operations and technology sales, Dederick's background uniquely positions her to drive Hi Auto's expansion. The company's AI order-taking platform has seen significant success, serving nearly 1,000 drive-thru locations with a 93% order completion rate and 96% accuracy. Dederick's strategic sales leadership will be crucial in building lasting partnerships with global QSR brands and expanding Hi Auto's presence in new markets. As automation reshapes the QSR industry, Hi Auto's focus on delivering reliable, scalable technology to improve customer satisfaction sets it apart as a leader in AI-driven voice ordering. BluSky AI Inc., differentiating from cloud providers through its SkyMod AI factories, accelerating the global compute revolution. BluSky AI Inc., known as BS, is setting itself apart from cloud providers with its SkyMod AI factories, designed to accelerate the global compute revolution. The company's modular data centers, like the SkyMod units, are tailored to meet the growing demand for high-performance computing and AI. By addressing the need for efficient and scalable infrastructure, BluSky AI is positioning itself as a leader in the AI revolution. With a focus on providing flexible and lasting solutions, the company's NeoCloud network, hosted by SkyMod TM data centers, will support the computational requirements of machine learning and AI applications. Investors can find more updates on BSAI in the company's newsroom.
Rock breaks. Emperor Metals Inc., OTCQB, EMAUF, 9NH to present at 25 New Orleans Investment Conference and issues clarification on resource estimate figures. Emperor Metals Inc., a Canadian mineral exploration company, will be presenting at the 2025 New Orleans Investment Conference to showcase progress on its Quebec gold portfolio. The company clarified its resource estimate figures, noting a 100% increase in gold ounces at the Duquesne West project. Emperor Metals is committed to transparent communication with shareholders. For more information, visit the company's newsroom. Rocks and Stocks, a platform specializing in mining industry insights, provides access to a vast network of solutions for reaching target markets. To receive SMS alerts from Rocks and Stocks, text ROCKS to 888-902-4192. Learn more at rocksandstocks.news.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Technology Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7, PressRelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit NewsRamp.com to read all of today's news.